Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have learned about React 18 and I hope you enjoy that all things which we have done here using React 18. And you all know that previously on we have covered up many of the projects using React 18 in which we have learned about different things. Previously on we have learned about React animation and React transition as well. And in the previous video, we have learned about React hover and I hope you enjoyed that video. And then we have also learned about many other things as well, like what is reuse transition hook, how to set up React 18, how to build React 18 app. Like that we have learned many of the projects, and we have also learned one project which is called props. We have learned like what are props in React 18. So in this video, like I will be telling you what are validating props. Means this video will be similar to the video in which we have learned about props. So just you have to revise that. And in this video, I'll be telling you what are validating props and how to use this validating props in our projects when we are building. So this video will be really helpful and I hope you'll be understanding this validating props which we are learning today, and I hope you'll be enjoying this video as well. So if you enjoy understand this, so hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well so you can just see my all the coming up videos which I'll be uploading, because that will also giving you help moving forward, and I hope you will be enjoying that videos as well. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing what are validating props in React 18 and how to use it from start to end. So just like I've telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project using React 18, and I've telling you like we will be just learning about validating props, and I'll be telling you what are validating props in React 18. So just now we'll be starting with our video. So for working with this validating props, here you have to open your VS Code, because previously on when we were working with React 18 or any project related to React 18, so we were using our VS Code. Then I will be going to file and opening my folder which is available on local disk E, because we were using this folder since a while when we are working with React 18. So I'll be opening this app1 folder. You can just see my previous videos if you have not know that how to create this folder and how we have created. I have given all the information in that video of React, so you can check that out video. That was my first video in which I've created this folder when I was setting up the environment using React 18. So now when you've opened this folder, you have to open your app.js file from which we'll be working, and this was our main file here. So I will be running my React 18 app by writing the command npm start. This is the command to run your React or React 18 app, and this is the work of previous video in which we have learned about React hover. So I will be raising all this stuff because today we are learning about props, and I'll be moving to app.css, and from here also we'll be raising all the stuff. So we will be working on these main two files, which is app.js and second one is app.css. So these are the two main files which we have to work with when we are working with React 18. So when we are using validating props, we will be using these both file here as our internal and external work. So you can see it has been this app.css has been already imported in our .js file, so we can work with that. Now it is running here, so it will be now giving us the option like starting development server. You can see now it has started my development server on my default Microsoft Edge browser. So I will be doing it side by side. Then we will be also getting the command of compiled successfully. When we will be getting compiled successfully means that our local host is running good and we are not having any errors. So just we have to wait a while till it will be compiling our Microsoft Edge browser, because it is a old version browser and taking some time to reload. I'm using this browser because many of the people does not know about these old versions browser, so I'm using so more people can learn and they can also work with this old version browser as well. So you can see now it is saying compiled successfully. You can now view app1 in the browser. This is the folder name coming. If you have written any other folder name, so you will be getting any other folder name with your localhost. Localhost will be same. It will be 3000 because we are using our own server. We are not taking any other server here. So now we here in this div class name app, we will be working with our props here. So for working with props, basically first of all we have to learn that what are props means. Before working on validating props, you have to just learn what are props. So you can check my previous video in which I have telling you about props, and from there you will be learning like what are props and how they work. So now you can move on to this validating props video. So now we'll be just now validating our props here. So for validating props, like I'm telling you, there are two types of props in the previous video, which was one A tag and second one was our button tag. So today we are working with our A tag. Means in using A tag, I will be telling you how to validate a prop. So for validating a prop, here we have to first of all write a tag. In this A tag, you have to write any link. So here I will be writing the link of Google. If I just say you to write you can see when I've written this Google link. So here you can just write any of the address of your Google link. Means here we have written the link Google, but when I'm pressing this, nothing is happening. It is not giving me any of the like you can say validating prop is not working. So validating props works when we press any of the icon. Means when I press this link, so I should be going on Google because this is the link of Google, but I'm not going on Google, I'm still on the page. So how to do that? So I'll be telling you how to do that, but before that we have to change the title here. So I'll be moving to public folder in this file. So today we are working on validating props. So here I will be writing the title of validating props. Save title has been changed. Now I'll be closing it. Now we will be learning how to get a link here of Google. So for getting the link of Google, you have to open Google website, and then you will be getting the link here. You have to copy link from here directly and paste it here. After pasting, you have to save it, and then here if I press this, so you will be moving to Google. You can see now it is redirecting us to Google, but one thing is again happening, like when I'm pressing, so it is redirecting me on Google but on the same page. I want it should open different page, means it should open separate page, and then it will be taking me to Google. So for doing this, you can write target is equals to underscore blank. Save this. Now if I press, so you will be seeing that it is opening separate page, and then it is redirecting me to the Google. So you can see how good looking is that. So now here for doing it validate, means for getting validate in that, you have to style this. So for styling, you have to move to app.css, and here I will be now just giving it the style. So we are getting .app class on this because we are working with our app.js, and in app.js we are getting app class. So I will be moving in this .app class by writing .app, and then I will be writing here text align, and then I will be writing here center, right here padding top, because from top I will be getting a spacing of 200 pixels. So our link should be in center. You can see now it is in center. So we are getting our link in center. For getting, now when you are getting it in center, so you have to give it the background here, and in background I will be just writing crimson, and then I will be writing text color white, and after writing white, here I will be writing text decoration, and in text decoration I will be writing here none. Then you have to just write here, save it. You can see we are getting, now you can increase its width as well, like 250, or you can say to 180 pixel I will be writing. You can see this. So here if I save, so you will be not getting the width, but here if I increase the width 180 pixel, save it. So here we are getting the width, but it is moving at the left side here, but I don't want this. So you can see now we are just getting the width here as well, like this. You can give it the padding as well you want here. So here you can give it the padding of 25. So you can see now we are getting the button of 25 pixel like this. So here you can just increase this as well. So you can just give the margin from the right here, which should be to 15 pixel. So you can see now it is getting the margin as well, but I will be not giving margin, I will be only setting its padding. So I will be giving it the padding left here 13. So you can see now we are getting here like this. So we are now getting it styled. So you can just increase it as well, like if you want to do it to 30, so you can just do it. You can see now this has been increased. You can increase its size as well by doing these all stuff 20. So now it will be good. So you can increase its font size as well, which should be like 20. Save. So you can see now its font size increases. So here now I will be giving the hover effect in the back of this. So I will be now giving it the A tag, right here A hover, and then I will be now giving it the validation. So by writing, so for giving validation, you have to give here background should be transparent when I hover on this, and border should be changed into one pixel solid, and then it should be in black color. And then when you've written this here, I will be writing transition as well, which should be changing into 0.9s. Now you can see, but color of text should be black. Save it. Now if I hover, you can see we are just getting a beautiful hover effect. And now if I press this, so you can see it will be redirecting me on the second page to Google. So like this, here you can work on this project here. So I hope you understand what are validating props, and now we have styled this validating prop, and now we have validated. And when I'm pressing this prop here, so I'm moving to Google because I have just written the target blank. Because of that, it is taking me to the separate page and redirecting me to the Google. So like this, you can build the project of validating props. So I hope you understand what are validating props and how to use this. So if you have understand this video and if you have learned about validating props, so hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see all the coming up videos, because I'll be uploading more videos like that in future. And remember to check out my all the like previous videos and all the big videos as well, which I have uploaded, because that will also giving you help. So just I'll be meeting next project. So for today, goodbye.